Hey, what's up everybody? This is Rakesh from Popingo and I'm back with another cool trick today. In today's video, let's see how we can extract text from an image to an editable Word document. And believe me, you will be surprised to see this trick work. Without wasting much time, let's roll the intro. We all have many practical scenarios where we quickly take a snap of something and transcribe that to a document or notes maybe at a later part of the day. For example, if you're a student, you might take a snap of an important piece of information at a library so that you can use it later in your project or an assignment. What would you do at this time? You need not have to type everything and waste your time. Instead, we will teach you a method that you can make use of so that you can spend your time productively. For demonstration, I'll be using this particular image where there's a lot of text that needs to be extracted. What are we waiting for? Let's begin. First of all, I'll take this image to a Word document and then save this as a PDF document. So here we are inside the Word document. I have this image inside the Word document. Now I'll go to Files and click on Save As. And from here I'll select the folder where I have to save and make sure while saving, Save As type should be selected as PDF. And then let me give it a name. I'll give it as image to text and then let me save this. Okay, as you can see, we now have the PDF ready. Now let me close all the applications here. I do not need any of these. Don't save. And then as you can see, we now have a PDF document created. Now what you have to do is open this document in Word application. In order to do that, right click on the PDF document, select Open With and click on Choose Another App if Microsoft Word is not listed here. After you do that, you'll be greeted with the list of applications that support opening a PDF document. Now click on More Apps here in order to expand the list and then select Word from here. And as you can see here, it gave you a pop-up saying Word will now convert this to an editable document. But this will not work if this has a lot of graphic content. So let me click OK here. As you can see, we now have editable text available to use, and now you can copy this anywhere and paste it into your document as well if needed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. See ya.